Hello and welcome to Eat and View Living. So we're already in autumn. Let's talk about plants that are going to look good in your garden in autumn as we're approaching winter. Let's talk about heucheras. These plants are absolutely amazing and I call them little performers. Just look at the different colors, look at the veining on the leaves, and to top it up, they also flower. They're going to flower for you. So you can do little arrangements in your garden and put them in different spots to enjoy them even during the darker autumn days. So here's a suggestion of an arrangement that you can do in your garden with the heuchera. They included some grasses there. I'm not sure what that purple trailing plant is, but absolutely looks beautiful and it's going to brighten up your garden. And on the other arrangement, they use that green heuchera. Absolutely wonderful. How beautiful are these dainty anemones? Absolutely pretty and beautiful. And they come again in a different range of colors. You can choose from the pinks and you can also choose from whites, and absolutely stunning with that yellow center that they have. So these anemones are quite prolific, so they're going to self-seed around your garden. I don't think they're really hard to control. You just have to pull out what you don't want, but absolutely beautiful. And you can also include these in arrangements around your garden to brighten up your garden in autumn. And again, here's a pretty arrangement that includes anemone. They've planted it with Echinacea, I think, that bright green plant. Absolutely beautiful, guys. And garden lovers, don't sleep on Rudbeckias and Echinaceas. Can you see that bright yellow and that black center, how beautiful it is? These are just going to provide such a needed pop of color in your garden when everything else is going quite mellow and muted. Use Rudbeckia to lift up your garden. Echinaceas, these are going to flower for a very long season for you, and they also come in a wide range of colors: pinks, whites, yellows, so you can choose from what colors you want in your garden, and these are going to flower for such a long time as well. So if you need flowers that are going to brighten up your garden in autumn, just visit your garden centers, your local garden centers, and they usually have these plants in stock around September and October. Thank you for joining me on this episode. Until next time, cheerio!